Discover a series of wonderful photos from Vietnam's mountains and rivers. Famous landscapes as well as cultural beauties are recreated through colorful and shimmering photos. Recently, Architecture and Design has just posted a series of photos of people and landscapes in Vietnam. The country of Vietnam appears in the photos with world-famous landscapes and landscapes such as Ha Long Bay, Sun Dung Cave, Bai Dinh Pagoda. Unique cultural features such as floating markets, flower lanterns, as well as kind and hospitable people are reproduced simply and honestly. All have brought viewers a peaceful, and beautiful look, like what Vietnam is inherently and always proud of. Flower Market at Ben Binh Dong, Ho Chi Minh City. An Giang Province with peaceful landscape. Boat ride in Tra Sa Melaleuca Forest, An Giang. Ban Giok Waterfall in Cao Bang. Thuan Phuc Bridge, Da Nang. A majestic, charming, waterfall, and poetic Ha Long Bay. Hang Son Doong, Quang Binh, the largest natural cave in the world. Sao Beach, Phu Quoc Island. A poetic scene in Dalat, one of the most famous tourist cities in Vietnam. The Crazy House in Dalat is considered the weirdest hotel in the world. Ha Giang Town seen from above. Nha Trang, the most beautiful coastal city of Vietnam. Mu King Chai Terraced Fields, Yan Bai. Trang An, Ninh Binh. Sea and Desert at Muine, Phan Thiet. As soon as the set of photos was posted on social networks, there were hundreds of thousands of likes and shares. The series of photos attracts both Vietnamese and international young people.